guys, today is gonna be my take on a summer classic, the delicious garlic shrimp with lemon butter sauce. For the ingredients, what we have today is actually wild caught shrimp, cilantro, garlic, lemon, butter, olive oil, pepper flakes for a little bit of heat, and a special ingredient today, which is volcanic sea salt, which is black in color. To start by rinsing your shrimp thoroughly. Remember, these are wild caught, so they need to be rinsed well so we can take off all the dirt from them. To clean the shrimp, just start by using a paring knife. Gentle, make an incision across the back of the shrimp and then peel off the shell and clean the main vein. This is the only hard work you will do, but will be worth it. Do not throw away the shell. Try to make a seafood stock by adding water, a little bit of salt and pepper, and boil it for about 30 minutes. After you have peeled off the shrimp, rinse them again for a final cleanup before cooking them. Then squeeze the excess water off from them so they can be easier to cook. Shrimps are a very gentle protein. Do not cook them too much because they will be a little bit tough to eat. You want it to have it on the tender side. Once you have your shrimp clean, just transfer it into a bowl. Add pepper. Pepper flakes, and volcanic black sea salt. A sprinkle on top, like that. The lemon and the zest of a lemon. I like to marinate my shrimp beforehand and leave it on the refrigerator for 5 minutes so the flavors can set in. Then get at least 3 cloves of garlic. Peel it. And then mix that inside. Get dirty and marinate the shrimp with all that goodness. Get a pan to medium high and add a teaspoon of olive oil. Once the olive oil is hot, then lay your shrimp on top, next to each other, just like that. Once they're in the pan, let it cook for about 3 minutes. Do not let it crawl too much because you can easily overcook the shrimp. They're very easy to cook. They don't need too much heat. They just need to be treated gentle. You see? They're still open up, not crawl in. flip it immediately. About a minute on each side. You see, when they are a little bit curl up like that, that means that they are ready. Just get a clean bowl and take it off the fire. On that same pan, add the butter to make the lemon butter sauce. Let it melt before you adding the lemon juice. By lowering the heat, you will prevent from burning the butter for the lemon butter sauce. Add lemon. And the cilantro. Mix well and lower the fire. You can serve them with anything you want. In my case, I would serve them on top of fried plantain as an appetizer. Once you lay the shrimps on top of the fried plantain, just drizzle this delicious lemon butter sauce on top. Just look at how amazing and delicious this looked for those wonderful summer nights. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and subscribe to my channel. One, go. So hello you guys, today I'm gonna take, okay, let's start it again.
2, 1, go.
So today's guy, I'm gonna have you, no.
1, go.
Okay guys, today I'm gonna bring you a summer classic, which is the delicious garlic butter.
1, go.
Hey you guys, today I'm gonna take you